Hey stitching friends, it's Georgiana from ADORNit, and I'm here today to show you just how cute our strawberry hand embroidery collection is now that it's all sewn up and I've decorated at my home. So let's go on a little tour to show you how fun it is to decorate with our strawberry collection. Okay, here we have the front entryway of my home, and you can see how cute this looks all decorated here together. So to hang my wall quilt, what I've actually done is I just used command strips and then made some little loops on the back to hang it with my command strips. Then that way when I'm ready to take it down, I didn't have to put any holes in my wall. I can just easily take that wall quilt down. Okay, so let's talk a little bit about how cute this quilt is. So the middle section is really just absolutely so cute with the strawberry borders on each side. We've inset it with some rickrack. And then look at the hand embroidery. I'm gonna get in close here so you guys can see just how beautiful this hand embroidery is right there in the center. Okay, and then we have our 9 patch gingham blocks that are the little border in there, which I have a great video on how to do that quickly and easily. And then we have our applique up here at the top and the bottom it repeats. But what's fun about this is there's a strawberry in each of the corners, and then we have a different hand embroidery in each of these 4 corners. So you can see the applique is the same, but the embroidery in those blocks are different. So that is the Darling strawberry quilt. Okay, we'll do a quick close-up for all this cute stuff. So that's our Preserved with Love pillow, right there, hand embroidery. And then down here on my console, I have hung the Darling strawberry banner. So all 3 pieces of those are hand embroidery in the center. And then we have a cute tiny wall hanging right here that says Farm Fresh Strawberries. Some cute ADORNit home decor pieces, rain boots that you can purchase from us. A Darling felt strawberry basket by Vicki Chrisman. And then I have a cute little bin that I just hung our ADORNit red beads from. And that's how I have decorated my front entryway. Okay, here we have my kitchen. So here on the island, I have put our Darling hand embroidery table runner. It's really nice and big. So I have this on my island because I don't have a kitchen table. And I love it. So we have the embroidery that's on both ends, the big strawberry applique, and then this is a gingham block that you put down the center, perfect to put things in to display. Then I have a really fun dough bowl right here that I have filled with our ADORNit eucalyptus garland. And then I've taken our strawberry patches, we've sewn them into these Darling mini pillows, and I've just tucked them in this dough bowl with our other cute wool felt projects, wool felt strawberries, really, really cute. So that's what I have on my island there with the cute table runner. Okay, here I have our very popular tea towels. This one I've sewn ruffles onto, this one I haven't, so you can see the difference. But this is an embroidery pattern where you get both of these cute designs for the strawberry collection. And then I've displayed them on our farmhouse tea towel, and I just have that leaning against my backsplash. Really, really cute. But these are super popular because the artwork is just so darling. The strawberry collection is all designed by Carolee McMullin. And then we have, of course, our cute custom tier tray that you can get from us with all these cute pieces that we have decorated in the kitchen. And then this is also one of the wool felt projects that you can purchase that comes in a kit. So anyways, that is how cute the tier tray looks. Thank you so much for joining me today for our cute strawberry collection to show you how I decorated it. Don't forget, you can purchase all of these cute patterns from adornit.com. Happy stitching!